Buddy Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And today we're going to go through this beautiful 2025 Grady-White 271 Canyon. It's a perfect boat for Northeast Florida. You're going to go through all the features on this boat with me today, and you'll see what makes Grady have such rugged elegance, all the options you could possibly want in a fishing boat with creature comforts for the whole family. We're going to start today with the power plant in the back. This boat is powered with twin 300 Yamaha horsepower engines with the full maneuverability package. That is the joystick operation, Helm Master it used to be called. That also incorporates an autopilot. We'll check that out more at the helm later on today. Starting at the back at the transom, you've got this heavy-duty transom door that opens outward, makes it easy to step on and off the boat at the dock. We're also going to take a look at the dive door over here on the port side that opens up so you can get on and off the dock easily, or pull a wahoo or a tuna through the side door if you need to land a big fish nice and easily. Then we've also got some really neat features here in the back. This awesome fish box, which is fully insulated, also lit inside. Drains overboard. There's no macerator pumps needed. You can just hose it out to clean it. We have a live well here in the transom with full water column distribution, which is a trademark on all of Grady's live wells. It's also fully insulated, so you could use this also as a cooler if you're just cruising at the end of the day. We've got freshwater pull-out shower right here next to the fish box. It's cool to rinse off as you come in through the ladder in the back, or wash your hands during the day. We've got another freshwater wash down right here on the console, on the back of the console. And then we've got a raw water connection, hose connection on the side over here with storage for the hose. So we've got lots of wash downs just right here in the cockpit, and there's even more up front. Also in the leaning post, you'll find another huge round live well that's also fully insulated. You can use that as a cooler as well. So here in Northeast Florida, where we do a lot of live bait fishing, whether you're getting pogies, cigar minnows, sardines, you've got plenty of places to put your bait, store lots of bait on board, and have a great day offshore bottom fishing or trolling for kingfish. One feature that I really like to point out on all the Grady-White models is the outboard flush ports that are built inside the boat. So in your owner's pack with Grady, you're going to have a quick connection for a garden hose. You're just going to click it in here, let the water run, and that flushes the engines. You don't have to go back to the Yamaha, unscrew the hose, and do it that way. This is great if you're keeping the boat either in a wet slip in the water, or you've got it on a boat lift. Even when it's on the trailer, it's just much more convenient to flush from the inside, nice and easy. You don't have to deal with the outside of the boat, especially if you're on a lift where it might be a little bit hazardous. Up here, we've got in the T-top, the hard top, we've got an electric shade, cockpit shade that extends all the way out to cover the cockpit area, get you out of the sun, great for when you're cruising. You'll also notice that it does not interrupt your rod storage up on the hardtop, nor does it interrupt, when it's closed, your rod storage here on the leaning post. Really nice, convenient feature. Of course, we've got Signature's trademark rear bench seat. Super comfortable, stows away when you're not using it. Just lifts up to set it. Nice angled backrest, very ergonomically correct. Extremely comfortable. As we move up here into the helm area, I wanted to show you what we have on both the port and transom or starboard sides of the boat, this locking rod storage. So you'll be able to put rods, longer rods on the starboard side, shorter trolling or kite fishing rods on this side over here. You close them over your reels and they are lockable. Great for when you're keeping the boat at the dock, you want to keep some gear on the boat and not have to worry about it walking away. Now we're going to get into the helm itself. We've got these beautiful seats with comfortable bolsters that flip down. You've got flip down armrests as well for each helm chair. You'll notice it's extremely comfortable. It's very well made. Cushions are solid, and I'm a big guy and I've got plenty of room up here at the helm behind the wheel of this Grady-White. Looking at the controls of this boat, we've got our digital Yamaha controls right here. Start and stop feature for both engines individually down here. This is the joystick to give you that sideways motion, diagonal, turn the boat in place. If you can play Pac-Man, you can maneuver this boat. This also has stay point, which is a virtual anchor system. So if you pull into the marina, you're by yourself, you need to get your dock lines and fenders out, you can press that button, it's going to hold the boat in place. Really convenient. There's also fish point and drift point, where the boat will hold itself offshore over a spot or give you a controlled drift over a wreck. Really convenient if you're bottom fishing. Another thing that's nice about the Grady dashboard at the helm, plenty of room for electronics here. I like to set this boat up with twin 12-inch screens, VHF in the middle. You can stack 2 of them if you like. You've also got your Yamaha digital gauges, your stereo control, USB and C ports, 12-volt charging port, all your switches right here conveniently located at the helm area. In the hardtop, we've got life storage net up top. Conveniently store your life jackets, your throwable, gets them out of the way, and it doesn't eat up all the storage in the rest of the boat for you. Come on around here, we're going to take a look at the incredibly large helm head area, where we've got a step-down console complete with a full marine head and holding tank. It also has lots of storage down here, overboard discharge, dockside pump out as well. Throughout the boat, you'll see forward, aft, midship, nice pull-up cleats, nice and streamlined when you're fishing. You don't have any snags. And as we move forward to the bow, you're going to check out this really large, comfortable seating area. What's really nice about the Grady's is everything drains overboard on this boat. The fish boxes in the back, the live wells, the fish boxes up here. You've got insulated storage or fish boxes that drain overboard and hose out nice and easily. One of the neat features about this boat is the windlass system, and we can easily access it just by lifting this platform, opening the hatch, and you're going to find a built-in Lumar windlass that's lit also. So when you're operating the boat at night, you're going to have a light right here by your windlass. Controls right here at the bow. We've also got controls at the helm. So you've got a lot of convenient lighting throughout the boat. Your live wells are lit, the fish box is lit, the anchor locker is lit. Something that you don't see on a lot of other brands. That's part of Grady-White's exceptional attention to detail. Also, you'll see a full wraparound windshield here on the console with a windshield wiper that has a freshwater washdown. Uses the freshwater system to rinse off your windshield when you're operating out there in the salt water. Also at the bow of the boat, you'll see another washdown connection here for a hose. That's great for rinsing off the anchor, especially in some of our muddy bottom areas that we have here off the intercoastal waterway. If you have any questions about this model or would love to take it out on a sea trial, give me a call. My name's Larry. You can reach me at 904-545-5310. Thank you.